This is my quick review about this filing cabinet I bought from Amazon the other day. Now I think this bit of kit was so good I actually bought two of these because I'm really hard up for space at the moment, and after building the first one I was so impressed by this piece of furniture that I thought I may as well share this video with you lot. And to tell you the truth, if you have an home office, this might be one of the best pieces of furniture you can get right now at this price. One of these cabinets is pretty large, you know, and you can get them in two sizes. I got the larger one because it fits just under my desk, and I paid about £99 for it. And when you consider they're made of solid painted metal and they're delivered basically 90% assembled, that's pretty good, I think. So what I'm going to do in this video is time how long it takes me to build this filing cabinet, and you can see how easy it is. Don't worry, I'll speed it up a bit so you don't fall asleep in your chair. But just know that I've timed it from start to finish, and I'll show you all the components the cabinets came with. It'll probably take you a bit less time than it took me, because as you can see, I got a fair few obstacles in the way in my home office space. Who else has a bleeding full-size upright piano in their office? Leave your comment below. And I couldn't find the bleeding scissors. Anyway, as I build this, I may as well tell you a bit more about the product. It's made by a company called Song Mics, interesting name, but they make loads of furniture and sell on Amazon's website. You've probably come across them before, but it's basically like an IKEA flat pack furniture shop with a huge online range, but instead of traipsing up to IKEA for a look about, you got the benefit of prime delivery. So I couldn't resist, cause my nearest IKEA is just under an hour away and I ain't got any time for that. Just a little building tip: make sure, if you're going to buy one of these, make sure you pull the little drawers all the way out, otherwise you're not going to fit your spanner in there to tighten the nut for the casters. I've seen a few people on Amazon reviews scratching their heads on that and leaving it a 3-star, but it's basically because they're not pulling the drawers all the way out. There's a little catch on the drawers that you got to flick, so yeah, just remember that. By the way, while you're here, let me tell you a little bit about my channel. My channel was all about the enrichment of work from home life for the modern day man. I make content aimed at helping the modern day geezer to work, play, and look their best. Oh yeah, and I'm a true British lad through and through. So if that sounds a bit like your cup of tea, you might want to press that button below that starts with a great big S. Don't worry, I won't say it. Anyway, now the cabinet is built, you can see it took me about 13 minutes to finish one of them. Unfortunately, the second one I got had a small dent on the top, which I'll show you now. But to be honest, I don't really care too much about that. I'll just ask Amazon nicely to knock a little bit of money off, as I am open to a partial refund. But yeah, because these cabinets are just the perfect shape for my office, it means I can put all sorts of items in there. I have quite a variety of equipment, you see. Notebooks, game controllers, camera equipment, music stuff, headphones, a lot. So yeah, I needed a storage solution that was affordable and had the right size drawers. I've seen loads of filing cabinets where the drawers are way too narrow, and that just doesn't suit me, to be honest. I can't be bothered with the faff of building the furniture. This one was hard enough for me, and all I did was put a few wheels on it. Anyway, I've left a little Amazon link for you below. Go and check the product out. I hope this video has helped someone, and if you're in the market for a new filing cabinet, or you just need a little extra space in your home, I'd recommend this one by Song Mics. Bosh.